Alright, what's up, y'all? It's 202 Wink, and I'm just giving y'all a little update from the inside. Well, if y'all seen my other videos, y'all seen some of what it looked like where I'm at. So, either way, if you're not in DC or if you're in somewhere where it doesn't snow, I'm just giving you a little inside look of what's going on. They got some pretty pictures, but there's some crazy stuff going on too. Like, I heard Branch Avenue was messed up. This is somewhere in Alexandria, which is Virginia. Like, look at this. And yeah, I done already walked in it. I believe this is last night at some time. And yeah. Let me see if I can show y'all. Let's see what's on my timeline. Maybe we can see some more snow. Maybe not.